He doesn't like my perfume. Oh, I put too much on and it's giving him the sneezies. Oh, love it. Come here. Come here. Are you okay? Shoo. Them were some big sneezers. Are you okay, baby? Huh? Well, not like Mommy's body spray, huh? That was stinky. That was stinky, huh? Yeah. Is my baby okay now? Mommy little baby okay now? Yeah. Are you all better? Oh, God love him. He did not like that perfume I had on at all. Did ye? No, he not like it at all. Poor dang. Mommy gave him the sneezers. And no joke, guys, he probably sneezed for a good, I don't know, minute while I was trying to get the camera up on the phone. Ooh. And he just sneezed and sneezed and sneezed. Didn't you? I thought it was cute, though. Oop. Where you at? There you are. Oh. Mommy's a little pretty pie. Ain't she? Oh, let's get flipped around here. Oh, it's Mommy's little pretty pie, ain't it? Look at it. I'm so sorry I gave you the sneezers. I'm so sorry I gave you sneezers. You cute. Alright, say bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye. Bye, guys. Hope y'all have a good day. Hey, what are you doing? Let me get this turned off now. Hang on. Let me get it turned off. Where's the button? Oop. There it is.